Hey, Lawn Dogs, Floyd with Owner Outdoor. We are back at it. Tyler's getting ready to go. He's back to work, excited. He already misses Wendy's. But anyway, we're going to go get some dethatching done. Well, he is. I got to go do some errands and quote some other jobs. Basically, we're going to get this dethatcher working and then clean it up with the Kubota. Anyway, we'll be back. Here's some footage. YouTube, play my intro. So hey, Lawn Dogs, we got the yard dethatched. Now we're gonna pick it up, so check it out. You see, it gets all this dead grass out of here, the thatch you call it. Helps the freshen the grass. I like to say it spruces it up after the winter, and lets the air get to the ground a little bit quicker, and air and water and stuff. So, and they're going to be fertilizing next week, so I want to get this ready for them. But anyway, now we gotta go get this stuff picked up, so let's do it. So hey lawn dogs, that's us getting it done. We are out dethatching, been doing it all week, and we'll keep on doing it. You have any questions, comment below. Hey, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, man. We put all kinds of content here, and check us out on Instagram and TikTok now. All right, under Floyd with Owner Lawn Care on TikTok, man. Anyway, hey, always give maximum effort, be kind to everyone. Floyd, 'em out.